ABCDE technique. This technique is simple yet effective. Start with a list of everything you have to do for the coming day. Then write these activities on a paper. Place A, B, C, D, E next to each activity. Now A will be something very important that you must do. These activities are the frogs of your life. If you have more than one A task, then mark them as A1, A2, A3. So now A1 will be the biggest, ugliest frog of all. B task is something that you should do, but it is nowhere as important as A. Never do B unless A is done. B is like a tadpole, so avoid getting distracted by it. C includes personal work that is nice to do, but it is not so important, so you can avoid it easily. D is something that you can delegate to someone else. E is time consuming and is of no value, so you can eliminate it altogether. Brian says if you follow this ABCDE technique every day, it will make you one of the most effective and efficient people in your field.